A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, in the previous class, I told you about what is HTML tags, and attribute. I hope you watched the video carefully. In today's class, I'm going to tell you about structure of an HTML document, HTML editors, creating and saving HTML document, viewing HTML documents. Before start the today's class, let us quick revision of the previous class. What is HTML? HTML, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a language used for designing web page, right? HTML is a language which is used to design a web page. It is a language that describes the content, format, and layout in which a web page should be displayed over the internet. Means HTML is a format which describe how to display a web page over the internet, right? In the simple words, you can say HTML is a language which is used to design a web page. HTML tags. Command in HTML are known as tags. The command which is used in HTML are known as tags. It is used to define the manner in which the content should be formatted and displayed in the browser. HTML tags are used to define the manner through which the content of the web page is formatted and how the content display in the web browser. All HTML tags are enclosed by angular brackets. There are some examples of HTML tags: body tags, font tags, head tags. You can see all the tags are enclosed by angular brackets. This is the structure of HTML tag. How you use tag in HTML document. First, tag name in the angular bracket, then string of the text, and then it is the closing of the tag. This is the structure of HTML tags, right? Next is types of tag. There are two types of tags: container tag and empty tag. What is the container tag? Tags which require opening and closing commands are called container tags. Tags which is required for closing is known as container tag. जिस टैग को क्लोज करना नेसेसरी होता है, ऐसे टैग्स को हम लोग कंटेनर टैग्स बोलते हैं, राइट? A tag is closed by putting / in front of the tag name. How you close container tag? Just putting the / in before the tag name. You can see on the screen there are two examples: head tag and body tag. Next is empty tag. What is empty tag? Tags which do not require closing commands are called empty tags. The tags which do not require for closing is known as empty tag. For example, BR code, HR code, and etc. Right? Now, attributes. It is a special keyword used to specify additional information about the tag. Right? Means attribute is a special keyword used inside an HTML tag to specify additional information about the tag and customize it. Attribute is a special keyword used to give additional information about the tag. For example, h1 align center. Here align is an attribute of heading 1 tag. This is a heading 1 tags, and align is a attributes of heading 1 tag, right? Now, Now, structure of an HTML document. What is a HTML document? An HTML page is also called an HTML document. HTML पेज को ही हम लोग HTML document बोलते हैं, right? HTML page is also known as HTML document. The basic structure of an HTML documents are: in the first line, you should write HTML in angular bracket. In the second line, write head in angular bracket. In the third line, write title and close the title tag. Next is, in the fourth line, close the head tag. In the fifth line, start the body tag, and after the body tag, define the contents of a page, and after defining the content of the page, close the body tag, and in the last, close the HTML tag. These are the structure of HTML documents. This is the method to write an HTML document. First line, write HTML, open HTML tag. In the second line, open head tag. In the third line, open title and give title of the web pages, and after giving the title name, close the title tag. Next, after title, close the head tag, then start the body tag. After starting the body tag, define the contents of the web pages, and after defining the content of the web page, close the body tag, and in the last, close the HTML tag, right? HTML tag. HTML tag identify the document as an HTML document. Means HTML tag tell the browser this is a web page. Next is head tag. It is used to provide some additional information about a web page. Head tag is used to give some additional information about a web page, and these information not seen by the user, only by search engines and the browser, right? Head tag is used to give some additional information about the web pages, and the information which is given by the head tag are not seen by the user, only seen by the web browser and the search engine. Title tag is used to specify the title of web page. Title tag is used to give a title of your web pages, and this title will be displayed on the title bar at the very top of your browser. Next is body tag. It defines the content of a web page that would be visible in the browser. All the contents which is displayed on the web browser are written under body tag. Body tag contains all the contents of a web pages, of a HTML documents, right? Now, HTML editor. What is the HTML editor? HTML editor is a software program that enables you to easily create HTML document. HTML editor is a software in which you can easily create a HTML document. There are two types of HTML editors. First is WYSI, WYG. The full form of WYSI, WYG is what you see is what you get, right? The full form of WYSI, WYG is what you say is what you get. These editors provide an inbuilt interface wherein you can quickly design web page without writing an here is written and HTML tags. It means that in WYSI, WYG editors, you don't need to write HTML tag. It provides inbuilt interface, which is it provides inbuilt interface where you can quickly create an HTML documents, right? In these types of editors, you don't write to HTML tag. All the tags are available in these types of editors. For example, Adobe Dreamweaver, Microsoft Expression Web, Composer, etc. These are the WYSI, WYG editors, right? I repeat once again, in this types of editors, you don't write any HTML tags. All the tags are inbuilt. You just use you just use that tags in your HTML document. Second types of editors are text editor. In this editor, user create HTML document by writing HTML tags. In this types of editor, you should write HTML tags to create an HTML document, right? For example, Notepad, WordPad, etc. is the example of text editor. I hope you understand. I repeat once again, WYSI, WYG editor, types of editor. In first types of editor, HTML editor, you don't write to HTML tags, and in text editor you should write HTML tag. The basic difference is that. Next topic is creating and saving HTML document. How we create an HTML document and how we save HTML documents. For creating HTML document, we will be using Notepad as the text editor for creating HTML documents. How we create? Follow the step. Open Notepad. Now, after creating the Notepad, then type the HTML code in the Notepad window as shown in figure 6.2 on page number 93. Open page number 93. On page number 93, figure 6.2, a HTML code is given here. Type this code, HTML head, title, then title of your web page is my first HTML page, title close, then head close. After the body tag start, and in the body tag, content welcome to the world of web designing, right? And after the content, close the body tag, and after that close HTML tag. So it is a right. So in this way you can type HTML document. Open Notepad, WordPad or Dreamweaver, whatever. After open the Notepad, type the code, and now save. To save the HTML document, click on the file option, click on save. Save as dialog box will be open. Choose the location where you want to save. Type name of your web page and .htm or HTML. .htm is the extension of HTML documents. when you give the file name, be careful to give it names. I repeat once again, how you save the HTML documents. Click on the file, then click on save option, choose your location where you want to save, then type file name, first page, and .stm or HTML. You can write .stm or you can write .html. Both are the extension of HTML documents, right? And click here all files, right? Now click on the save. I hope you understand. Now on page number 93, how you view a HTML document. Now on page number 93, viewing HTML documents. After writing the HTML code to create a web page using an HTML editor, we can check how the web page will look like using a web browser. It means that after creating an HTML document, you want to see how your HTML document will look like on a web browser. So to see an HTML document on web browser, you should open any web browser, just like a Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, etc. Right? To see your HTML document on web browser, you should open any web browser. So I'm going to open Google Chrome here. Now after opening after opening a web browser, press Ctrl O. Then choose the file and folder where desktop, this is my file. Select the file, and step 3, click on the open button. You can see this is the content of the our web page, and this is the title, my first HTML tag, right? So title is displayed on the title bar, and this is the content of the this is the content which is written under the body tag. I repeat once again, to view an HTML document on web browser, open any web browser and press Ctrl O. Then select your file, then click on open button, right? So in this way we have completed this chapter. I hope you understand. Okay.